Did you know you're wearing a superhero suit right at this very moment? No, it's not made of some fancy metal or anything. It's actually part of you. It protects you, it helps you feel the world around you, and it even controls your temperature. So today, we're going to take a closer look at this incredible suit.
All right, let's kick things off with a little pop quiz. Just take a second and think about your body. What do you think is its single largest organ?
Need a hint? Okay, here's one. It covers you from head to toe. You literally see it and use it every single day. Any ideas yet?
If you guessed your skin, you are absolutely right. Your skin is actually the main part of a whole team called the integumentary system. Now, I know that's a big, sciencey word, but it's just the official name for your body's amazing superhero suit.
So, what is this integumentary system? Well, just think back to our superhero suit. It's the outer layer of you that's always working, your very first line of defense against, well, everything. The official definition is actually pretty straightforward. The integumentary system is everything that covers your body on the outside. This includes the main fabric, your skin, but also all the cool accessories that come with it. And what are those accessories? Well, the main parts of this suit are your skin, of course, but also your hair and your nails. And it also includes these teeny tiny glands that make sweat when you get hot and oil to keep your skin from drying out. All these parts work together to give this system its incredible superpowers.
Okay, let's dive into its first and maybe most important superpower, protection. You can think of your integumentary system as this invisible force field that's constantly shielding you from danger, 24/7.
So what does this force field actually do? Well, for starters, it's a physical wall that stops germs and dirt from getting inside your body and making you sick. It also protects you from nasty chemicals and even the sun's damaging UV rays. On top of all that, it's waterproof, so it keeps all the water you need inside your body. Pretty cool, huh?
So how exactly does your skin protect you from the sun? Well, get this, it makes its own sunblock. This special stuff is called melanin. Melanin is what gives your skin its unique color, but its most important job is to absorb those harmful UV rays before they can cause any damage. It's a natural shield.
And you know, this superhero suit is incredibly smart. It's not the same thickness all over your body. I mean, think about it. The skin on your eyelids is super thin and flexible, so you can blink easily. But the skin on the bottom of your feet, it's way thicker because it needs extra protection for walking on all kinds of surfaces. It adapts to exactly what each part of your body needs.
All right. Beyond just protection, your suit has another amazing superpower, sensation. Your skin isn't just a barrier. It's also covered in millions of tiny sensors that let you actually feel the world.
The secret to this power is something called a receptor. The easiest way to think about a receptor is as a tiny little alarm or a sensor. You have millions of them all over your skin, and different types of receptors are designed to feel different things, like a gentle touch, or heat, or even pain. So how does it all work? Well, it happens in a flash, in 4 super fast steps. 1, a receptor in your skin feels something, like a hot surface. 2, a signal zips through your nerves like lightning. 3, your brain gets the message. And 4, your brain immediately tells your body what to do, like pull your hand away now. Have you ever wondered why a tiny little paper cut on your fingertip hurts so much? Or why your lips are so sensitive? Well, it's because those areas are packed with way more of those tiny receptors than other places, like the skin on your back. More receptors just means more information is being sent to your brain.
Okay, on to our third superpower, your very own personal climate control system. Your integumentary system works just like a thermostat in your house, making sure your body's internal temperature stays just right at about 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 Fahrenheit. But how does it actually pull that off? I mean, how does your skin know when it needs to cool you down or warm you up? Well, it has 2 really clever tricks up its sleeve.
This chart lays it all out. When you're hot, 2 key things happen. First, you sweat, which cools you down as it evaporates. And second, the blood vessels near your skin get wider to release heat. And when you're cold, the opposite happens. You get goosebumps, and those same blood vessels get narrower to save heat.
Now, those 2 words, dilate and constrict, might sound complicated, but the idea is actually really simple. Dilate just means to get wider. So when you're hot, your blood vessels dilate to let heat escape. And constrict just means to get narrower, which they do when you're cold to trap heat inside. It's a really smart system.
So,
We've gone through the superpowers: protection, sensation, and temperature control. Now, let's pop the hood on our superhero suit and see the 3 amazing layers that make it all possible.
The very top layer, the one you can see and touch, is called the epidermis. This layer is your tough, waterproof barrier. It's constantly making new skin cells and pushing the old dead ones off. And this is also where you find that melanin, your built-in sunblock we talked about earlier.
Right underneath that, we've got the dermis. Now, this is the busy layer where all the action happens. Think of it like the command center. It's packed with all the gadgets, the nerve receptors for feeling, the blood vessels that control your temperature, the roots of your hair, and all your sweat and oil glands.
And finally, we dig down to the deepest layer, the hypodermis. This layer is made mostly of fat and connective tissue. It acts as a cushion to protect your insides from bumps and falls, it's insulation that helps keep you warm, and it even stores extra energy for your body to use later on. You know, to wrap it all up, this quote just says it perfectly. Your integumentary system is your first line of defense, your built-in thermostat, and your body's largest sensory surface, all in one. It's not just a covering, it's an active, amazing organ system.
So, the next time you look at your skin, just remember the incredible superhero suit you're wearing every single day. The suit that heals itself, that can feel a tiny insect land on your arm, and even makes vitamins from sunlight. It really leaves us with one final thought. What do you think is the most amazing thing your skin does for you? Thanks for joining this explainer.